Hey, what's up, guys? Do you want to make $10 for your selfie photo? You can do it over and over again. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, without any further ado, let's dive into this video, guys. I reveal the website later in this video, guys. So watch till end, and I show how it's work and how you can make money, and it's also available Android and iOS, guys. You can install the app on your devices and take a selfie and get paid $10 or even more. That, guys, you can do it over and over again, guys. And this is the website. I reveal the name later, guys. Like I said, just to watch till end. This is the you can make some good amount of money with this, guys. Time to make extra money with your videos and photos, guys. This is the simple app. You can make some good amount of money, guys. How does it work, guys? Just to simply upload your videos or your photos. You take using your phones or using your any laptop or iPad camera, guys. Just when you brand your strategy agency, guys, you can create your portfolio within this app, guys. This is like a shutterstock, guys. This is like a copyrighted image you can upload to internet to make some profit with this, guys. It's a simple method. You can make money just to do over and over again, guys. Just to come out to this website, guys, I show the name reveal, guys. So watch till end. I show the reveal name, reveal the name, guys. And just to take part in creative world, guys. Like I said, you can upload as much as image you can, guys. Then only you can make some good amount of profit, guys. You can make even $1,000 or more, guys, with a month, guys, in a month, or even more with with this app, guys. And the simple app, guys, like I said, it's just a simple app, guys. And I show you for you how the people are making some good amount of money with this, guys. And like I said, I reveal the name now, guys. Before reveal the name, if you new here, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. If you any thought about this video or any doubt about this video, feel free to comment below, guys. I always reply to your comment, guys. Okay, guys, by the way, this is the fope.com, guys. This is how it's work and how you can make money, guys. Come on to fope.com/photographer, guys, or I leave a link below, guys. Click the link and come out to this website, guys. This is not any like affiliate link, guys. This is normal link. Click the link and come out to this fope.com/photographer, guys. And this is how it's work, guys. Just click how it's work. And simple and efficient, guys. Fope is customized visual content platform powered by creatives, guys. Just as simple, like I said, just launch your photo and this company review and select your photo and you can ready to go, guys. Money come out in your PayPal account. These companies send your money to your PayPal account, guys. If you had a PayPal account, then only you can sign up, guys. If you don't have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com, sign up, guys. That's a simple method. And just upload your photo and get paid, guys. Come over to fope.com/photographer and click buy Fope, guys, or click download Google Play Store app or Apple App Store, guys. I show the review the Apple App Store, guys. This is the apps look like in Apple App Store, guys. This is available for free, guys, and this is the interface look like in the app, guys. Just like Instagram, post your pic and get paid, guys. I recommended post some good quality pic, guys. Just like sunrises pic or your dog photo. This is like big companies want that type of picture, guys. So put that type of picture, then only you can make some good amount of money with the Fope app, guys. And this app got 4.5 star out of 5, guys. This is lot good, guys. There's almost a 10.4 rating, guys. That means almost 10,000 people are installed, guys, or almost more than 10,000 people, guys. And this company featured in ABC News, CNN, BCC, and New York Times, guys. It's legitimate way to make money, guys. Don't be afraid. It's legit way to make money, guys. And this is the Play Store review, guys. This is look like in Android phones, guys. That's as simple as uh, Apple iPhones, guys. And it got 3.6 stars out of 5, guys. It's like a good, guys, in Play Store. Some people didn't review in Play Store, guys. So that the reviews are too low, guys. Not too low. It's like a moderate, guys. It's not like any good, too good. It's not like any bad, guys. It's like a moderate. This is the review. Come out to this Play Store or go to phone or Play Store and install, or go to an App Store and get install and get some paint, guys. And come out to photograph fope.com/photograph, guys, or I'll leave a link below. Just click this link and go to this website and grab some photos and upload the photos to Fob app, guys. Like I said, you can make $20 for your selfie or for your photo, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make some good amount of money. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. Feel free to comment below, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.